Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Sierra. Stock number is A8366. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have 20-inch alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Bridgestone dualer tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. GM bed liner keeps the bed nice and safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.